You are now watching Showbiz Snap, your daily showbiz update. Kasalukuyan ngang nakakulong ang aktor na si Ricardo Cepeda or ang ex-husband ng aktres na si Snooki Serna. Naaresto ang nasabing aktor sa Caloocan City at ito ay sa kasong syndicate estafa. Ngayon ay nasa Quezon City Police District o QCPD. Apprehended si 57-year-old Cepeda, who is Richard Cesar Go in real life, in a resto bar along Mabini Street in Mapay Ho at around 11 a.m. Police served a warrant of arrest against Cepeda for a charge of syndicated estafa under Article 314 of the Revised Penal Code in relation to Presidential Decree 1689. Cepeda did not resist when police took him into custody. The warrant of arrest was issued by Regional Trial Court, Branch 12, Judge Gemma Bucayo Madrid in Sanchez Mira, Cagayan. No other details about the charges against Cepeda were available as of Saturday afternoon. Under PD 1689, a penalty of life imprisonment is imposed on a syndicate consisting of 5 or more personnel formed with the intention of carrying out the unlawful or illegal act, transaction, enterprise, or scheme, and the fraud results in the misappropriation of money contributed by stock or stockholders or members of rural banks, cooperative, samahang nayon, or farmers associations or of funds solicited by corporations or associations from the general public. Cepeda was brought to the QCPD headquarters at Camp Karingal for documentation. Ang nasabi pong kaso ay walang bail, kaya naman po ang pamilya ni Ricardo Cepeda ngayon ay mag-aapila para sa bail or motion for bail. Anyway, lumantad nga agad-agad or ito ay viral kagad sa social media, kaya naman ang ngayon ay kasalukuyang asawa ni Ricardo Cepeda na si actress Marina Benipayo ay nagsalita at ayon nga sa kanya ay sana naman hindi agad-agad husgahan si Ricardo Cepeda. Actually, nagsalita na ang mga anak ni Ricardo at didepensa nila ang ama na ito ay nadamay lamang. Ito ay endorser at walang kinalaman sa anumang scam na ngayon ay kinakaharap ng nasabing organisasyon. But anyway, mula nga sa asawa ngayon ni Ricardo Cepeda na nakikiusap siya sa mga content creator na sana nga daw ay hindi magkaroon ng exaggeration ang mga update nito dahil wala naman talaga silang alam sa kasalukuyan na nasabing kaso ni Ricardo. Well, ano masasabi nyo about dito? Ilang mga netizen or anonymous commentator mula sa Fashion Police ang nagbigay ng kanilang opinion hinggil dito. Ayon sa kanila, sila ba din ang makakapag-proof niyan? I always see her selling sa FYP and believe ako sa sipag niya, and one time sabi pa sila ni Ricardo nag-live, nakaka-break ng heart ang video niya kasi alam mo na need lang mag-work. Itong mga content creators ko makagawa lang ng video for monetary reasons at the expense of other people. Grabe, ang daming masasamang tao talaga sa mundo. Prayers for Ricardo and Marina. Sending prayers for both of you. Sana malagpasan nyo ito. I hope their friends and family will reach out for help. Well, yan ang ating Showbiz Snap update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners and thank you for watching Showbiz Snap.